an active ecotourist, we propose to you to visit the geopark riding a bike. Cruise tours and geotourism in Villuercas offers you the possibility of visiting the main geosites by bicycle accompanied by a guide who will interpret them and tasting their delicious dishes or buying their handicrafts and local products. The geopark of the Villuercas by bike is an activity that can also be done with the family by the hand of the company Titan Villuercas 365, traveling along the green road of the Vegas del Guadiana, plain roads suitable for family tours. Easy trails, more complex ones. We can arrange complete weekend packs which include accommodation, meals, activities. The bird of the geopark. What's the most emblematic species of Extremadura during your trip through the geopark? The royal eagle, the griffon vulture, the black stork, the Egyptian vulture, and the varied forest and steppe wildlife. The experience can be extended to observe cranes and steppe birds at the peneplains of the geopark. An ideal experience for any time of the year that you can develop in an off-road cart with the companies Discover Extremadura, Geotourism in Las Villuercas, or Nat Rural Explorer of the geopark, or if you prefer it, in a hybrid van by the hand of cruise tours. Discover Extremadura proposes filming birds from unique stationary or mobile heights prepared to obtain the best pictures. Photograph birds, especially birds of prey, from a short distance is a fantastic experience. If you prefer ecotourism and photograph landscape, your experience is called Photograph the Geopark and discover the natural treasures of the geopark, its fossils, cliffs, cave paintings and solitary forest. Companies like Geotourism in Las Villuercas, Nat Rural or Rutas por Extremadura propose you several off-road tours guided by the best experts who will provide you optical equipment, typical local meals, and visit to the geopark and interpretation centers to ensure your photographs collect the best views of the geopark. High-quality ecotourism with guides and companies which are part of the geopark of the region of Villuercas, trained to give you the best.